Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR MagicPad 2 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find System and Updates. Then let's tap on System Navigation. Sorry, that was a misclick. System Navigation. And as you can see here, we've got 2 options from which we can choose. Of course, 3 keys, which is currently applied. Before we'll set the gestures, I just wanted to draw attention to this section because you can customize the 3 buttons navigation. So you can reorder the back button and the recents, and you can also add this this additional feature to hide the navigation bar. You can also select the position of the 3 keys to the left, to the center or to the right, and you can manage the navigation dock. Alright, so to set the gestures, simply tap on this option right here next to the 3 keys, and as you can see, your device will ask you whether you want to go through the tutorial, and of course if you want to, just tap on start. I will simply turn it off because I will show you how to use the gestures in a second. So as you can see, the 3 keys immediately disappeared. Instead of them, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures, but as you can see, you can hide it. So it's totally up to you whether you want to show it or not. Here you've got the customization, so for example, slide across bottom to switch apps, double swipe to confirm the return. Basically it will work in different situations, like for example during watching a video or playing a game. Here you've got the tutorial again and navigation dock. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You will see this arrow, and you cannot keep your finger too long on the screen because you will also show the sidebar. So that's not what we want to do. Simply swipe and release the finger, and as you can see, we just got back. The same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.